In this video, we're going to show you a full tour and review of the AC Hotel Avenida de America in Madrid, including breakfast, room tour, and the gym. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. The hotel, we chose this hotel specifically because we were seeing a concert at the Riyadh Metropolitano Arena, which is where Atletico play. It's only a few stops on the metro station, and the station is right across the street. So very nicely located, sort of on the east side of town. It's a nice lobby when you first walk in on the ground floor. They had waters and infused water while you're checking in. Our room was a queen room on the third floor. It was actually a corner room, which was quite spacious. I feel like it was a little bit bigger than probably the average room just because it was a corner room. You do have to have your key in so that the lights and the AC work. Pretty standard for the hotel rooms. Nice bathroom right when you first walk in with a walk-in shower. It did have a rain head shower as well. You've got your blow dryer, of course, extra towels, a couple of little amenities. You do have hand soap. There was not any lotion, which I was kind of disappointed in. And I'm used to that, so I forgot my lotion. They did have some dental kit, a couple of the pretty much usual amenities. Decent sized shower. The pressure was fantastic. I stayed there with a handful of friends. We had 4 different rooms, and they all raved about the shower pressure and the size of the shower. It did have a shampoo and conditioner and shower gel included. And of course, you've got the toilet and the bidet, as you would expect in Spain. Then heading on into the room, we had a nice sized TV and beautiful queen size bed. It was very comfortable. Lots of nice comfy linens as well. You've got 2 pillows on each side. Plenty of space in the closet area, a handful of hangers, and a laundry bag should you need it. There is also a mini fridge. It had 2 waters in it that were nicely chilled, as well as a couple of cold glasses, which was a nice touch considering this was in the middle of July that we were there, very hot outside. And then you have your little espresso machine as well, and a couple of more shelves for your belongings, and the safe, of course, as well. And then next to the bed, you've got a couple of lights. You've got a little reading light there, as well as your normal light. You've also got a European outlet, as well as 2 USB outlets, and you've got the light switches, as well as, of course, the phone and your pad of paper. And yeah, it was a comfy room. I really enjoyed it. I can't say anything negative about it. The AC was nice and cold, and yeah, the TV was nice. Tons of channels and tons of American channels too. So that was a nice plus. And you've also got your desk, of course. And on the other side of the bed, you also have another set of a European outlet, as well as 2 USB outlets, and of course the same light set up on that side of the bed with the reading light and the extra light. One nice plus of this room was not only did you have the regular curtains and the blackout curtains, you also have the persianas, which are fantastic in Spain. If you've ever been in a Spanish home, those are a must. So not only will it keep a room nice and dark, it keeps it very nice and cool. I was surprised to see that in a hotel. We have those in our house, and they are amazing. If you know, you know. So a really nice plus on that. And we had a nice little view there in the room, just out, looking across the street. And right behind that brick building there is where the train station was, the metro station that will take you to the Metropolitano if you happen to be seeing a football match or a concert there. Really nice lobby, restaurant, and bar. It's called Tal Cual. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The restaurant's open till 11 p.m. and the bar is open until midnight. Breakfast was served 7 a.m. till 10:30. We had that included with our room purchase. They only do breakfast complimentary for Titanium and Plus members if you are a Bonvoy member. So just keep an eye on that. Usually it would be for Platinum members, but they only honor it for Titanium. But nice fully stocked bar. We had great service as well. We dealt with a couple of different bartenders in the night that we were there. So friendly and really, really top-notch service. Cannot say a negative word about them at all. And they offered us some snacks as well. There was tapas, which I'll show in just a minute. And they brought us some chips as well as some frutos secos and those sort of things. The breakfast buffet had a nice selection of cold and hot items. You've got your jamon, your cheese. Of course, you've got your crushed tomatoes for your tostadas. Lots of nice pastries as well, donuts, and of course, tons of different breads that you can use and toast up. They did have eggs to order. You could order scrambled eggs or fried. They also had hard-boiled eggs, as well as pretty much what you would need for a full English with the mushrooms and the beans and bacon. Really nice homemade pastries as well. The cakes were incredible, and they had all kinds of little toppings and whatnot for your cereals. Just like lots of nice little choices there for you, and several different types of jams and jellies and butters, of course. And then they did have a little salad section, lots of fresh fruits, the bananas, apples, and you've got your melon and watermelon, as well as juices and waters and infused water. And they did have two different coffee machines that were self-serve. And here's a little peek at the tapas that they offered us at night, which was complimentary. Um, they did have a nice gym. It's on the first floor. Good enough size, actually. There was nobody in there, but nice handful of weights and a couple of cardio machines. So if you want to get your workout in, it's a great opportunity there. So yeah, we did like this hotel. I would say, especially if you're going to see a show, it's not really close to, sort of like the Prado or some of the other main tourist areas in town. But if you're going there for a show or a football match, like I said, I would definitely stay there. But thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Thanks again. Bye bye.